Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Let me draw your attention for a little bit. Today we're gonna go over how to draw Waluigi, at least just his head. I'm gonna go over a lot of Mario stuff, so if you have any requests, search the channel for anything Mario related that I have not gone over, and let me know in the comments so that I can go over it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna be using this marker right here. It's a Faber-Castell PITT artist pen. I already told you that in every video, but it doesn't have that nasty smell a Sharpie does. It's like $7, I believe, compared to the, I think like a Sharpie's like what, 50 cents or something like that. But it doesn't have that nasty, horrible smell over time, and it's actually way bigger than a Sharpie, and I love it. All right, let's get going, and let's get started. So with Waluigi, I'm gonna start with the nose. Let's start with that pointed nose he has. It's kind of pointed downward. It has that shape. It's gonna be looking to the left, by the way. I'm gonna pull the line up right here, and I'm going to also put an eyebrow that direction, eyebrow this direction. Brim of the hat. Gonna cap off that side of the brim of the hat right here. Go into the eyes. The eyes are angry looking, obviously, but he has more or less these bags under his eyes as well, but I'm just gonna keep it with a thick line. Beady eyes. You always hear that? Those beady eyes. Something's very evil looking about beady eyes, I guess. Give him an angry look, an angry furrow. Pulling down, side of the cheek there. Mustache. Mustache is thin and pointed. That is a big deal. That's one of those things that differentiates him from the others, and Wario would be this thin pointed. Wario has more of a thicker one, and it looks like more crinkly. This one only has really one kink in it. One line down there. I really wish he was in Smash Brothers. I know he is as a summon, but he's not in there as a character. I wanted Waluigi as a summon. As a real character in Smash Brothers. Pulling underneath right here, and I'm gonna find his smile. Pulling across. Those teeth. Far side of his mouth over here is gonna be dark. Might be careful. Might connect to the mustache. Continue the far side of his face. And his lower jowls, essentially like his lower lip, it's gonna stick out. And here's another defining feature of his pointed chin. So be aware of that. This is gonna run into the side of his head, which has hair, obviously. And we're gonna connect this to the side of his ear. He has a pointed elf ear. Sorry about that. Computer's making noises. So he does have like pretty much like a Zelda ear. All right, let's go to the top brim of the hat. Pull across. The bag, the hat. All of these hats, right? Mario, Luigi's, Waluigi's, Wario's. Their hat sits like almost like it has a weight to it, right? So it's sitting right here. It's snuggled in that area because it's kind of almost weighted down, even though it's not. Top of the hat. Now I'm gonna pull up. It's gonna be an upside down L, which essentially is like, looks like a 7. And you're gonna put a kind of a circle pattern around that. Now we're gonna take care of the far side hair and far side ear. So, simple line for the hair. Simple line for the ear. And that's it. If you want, you can throw another one right here for, I don't know, more of the hair. Maybe like a thicker line over here for the far side. But nothing major. That's pretty much it. That if you really want to draw his neck, we can draw his neck down here. But yeah, he's a character I really haven't explored very much story-wise. I would really like to know more about him. I've only kind of known of him in a lot. I don't think I've played... What game is he in? I gotta look that up. I don't know exactly what video game he was featured mostly in. And I know in the comments you're gonna tell me. But that's pretty much it. That is Waluigi. And... oh my god. Hopefully that was easy enough to do. I hope that this was good enough. If it was, please hit the like button, and I will see you in the very next video. I'm going to post videos every single day at 2. Thank you so much, guys. Also, don't forget to download the How to Draw Cute ebook. That's going to be in the description below. And that's pretty much it. Talk to you guys later.